Good luck again, Brandon. It's going to be a personal box, WWE Chrome 2014 for Thundercat. Thanks again, man. Good luck to you. Looking for a gold. Ambrose. Dean. Ambrose. Marinated box. Good luck, man. Thanks again. Here we go. Good luck, man. Alright, we got some JBL base. Drew McIntyre. Big Show base. And refractor of Shawn Michaels to the chin. Sell them by the pack. Let me think about that. Topps always packs their stuff kind of stupid though, so that you can like snipe the packs though. Sort of. Titus O'Neil, Jim Ross, I think anyway. Stephanie McMahon and Sasha Banks next. Base. I do not have any hockey, Zep. I'm sorry, man. I'm gonna get some eventually here, Cameron. Kind of hot. Sorry, where am I? I don't have any right now, though. I'm sorry, Zip. First hockey I'll get will be Prime on July 30th, if they don't change the date. Big E. He's not on roids. Zeb Coulter. And Charlotte next. Already got some of the base you needed? Sweet. Finish off your set right here. That's the spirit, Zep. You really don't have to, man, but let's see if I got anything else unless you're a wrestling fan. I mean, don't have to. Andre the Giant. Who's Ric Flair's daughter, Charlotte? Sin Cara. Alicia Fox, base auto. It's got some residue on it, not from me, but there's like some, I think it'll wipe off just like the chrome dust or whatever. Alicia Fox. Base auto. Nice, man. Did you have this one yet? And your gold is R-Truth Gold. There's 2 hits per box, Sean, and every box I've opened has had an auto in it, but I don't think all boxes have autos, though, right? Like some boxes could be 2 relics. Is that correct, guys that have done wrestling? All the boxes I've opened have had an auto in them, though, so far. Then your R-Truth is 47 of 50. Oh, you lost? Oh, sweet, man. Lost out on the video. Or, I'm sorry, I was reading the other thing. You lost out on one tonight, so now you got it. Actually, Sean, we pulled her auto, but the red version of it, I think number to 25, when this stuff first came out. Alberto Del Rio, Heath Slater, AJ Lee base, and Edge, portraits by Jerry the King Lawler. Hey, Thundercat, your video's still good? Somebody's went out, it looks like. Alright, Fandango base. Nikki Bella base. Summer Rae. And refractor of Tony Schimmel. Yours good, Jersey? Is it working now? Vicky Guerrero. Honky Tonk. Road Dogg and Corey Graves. That's a sick denim vest he's got on right there. Booker T. Josh Matthews, Tyson Kidd, and Leo Kruger. Next. Eva Marie, rookie. Kevin Nash. Billy Gunn. And Foreign Legion wins World Tag Team. Iron Sheik. Nikolai Volkov. Eva hot. Agreed. Completely. 313 Sean likes AJ Lee. He says he would drink AJ Lee dirty bathwater. Not sure how I should feel about that, Sean. Santino Marella. R-Truth base. Kofi Kingston. And JoJo Refractor. I don't know why that's so funny to me, Duquesne. Just sounds funny. Mark Henry. Theo Long. Renee Young, rookie. And Jason Jordan. I'm telling you, man, that's Josh Freeman. That is Josh Freeman. Before he cut the hair and went on roids. And your hit pack is, let's get your gold first. Tensai Gold, not the one you wanted. 26 of 50 on that guy. Alicia Fox base, and your hit is, good luck. Oh, that's kind of cool, man. Daniel Bryan, authentic shirt relic, kind of like a patch. Daniel Bryan. Pretty sweet. This guy is not numbered. Not a bad box, man. Your golds were crap, but a couple nice hits. Yeah, that's a good one, man. Brian. Alright, got Zack Ryder. Diego, rookie. Justin Roberts, and refractor of Mark Henry. Still got a lot of packs left. Here's your base, Dean. The other Bella, Brie Bella. Scott Stanford, and base Page. Next. I think that's it, Jersey. There's what, 2 hits a box. Camacho. Page is fine. Yeah, it's not too bad, man. Not too bad. She could use a little suntan, but Hunico. Justin Gabriel, and the Acolyte. Oh, I remember those guys. Won the World Tag Team Championship. Sheamus. Bad News Barrett. Eddie Guerrero. And refractor, Teddy Long. Man, your refractors and your golds are sucking. Brock. David Otunga. The Miz. And Nash wins World War III 1998. Yeah, your hits were good at least, though. It's a good trade-off, man. I'd take good hits over good refractors any day. Seth Rollins. Kurt Hawkins. Jimmy Uso. And Jericho refractor. Still got time for a super. Rosa Mendez. Yeah. William Regal. X-Pac. Can't look at that dude without laughing for some reason. Connor with a K. Next. Gold Dust. Oh, that's a good one for your PC, man. Did he really? I hope he didn't really do that, did he? Oh, no. Did I say Xbox? I was talking about X-Pac. Cody Rhodes. Oh, China. Yeah, I gotcha. Oksana. And Yokozuna. R.I.P. This case of autos, I want to say there's been an auto in every box, man. I'm pretty sure there's been an autograph in every box. Triple H. Wow, Sean, did that happen? RVD. Cena. And Dolph Ziggler fractor. CM Punk. Alex Riley. Eric Rowan rookie. And Sylvester Lafort. Next card. 12 net. Dang, so you're just loading up your set, man. Good stuff. And I'll check, like I said, I'll check the stack I've got left too. And if I got any that you need, I'll send them your way too. Alright, we got Kane. The Rock. Tamina Snuka. And D-Generation X defeats Jericho for the United WWE Tag Team Championship. Shawn Michaels. Champion Spotlight. And your last pack. Good luck, man. Time for, let's see if we can get a super. Oh, where am I going? Sorry. Christian base. Jinder Mahal. Ricardo Rodriguez and refractor. No super. Sorry, man. Refractor of Ezekiel Jackson. Alright, that does it. Brandon, thanks again, man. Here's your hits again real quick here. Got the Daniel Bryan shirt relic and Alicia Fox auto. Not too bad.